Today, we're entering the exciting world of adjectives. These are special words that add details and feelings to your sentences. First of all, let's look at something we call a suffix. Suffixes are small parts added at the end of a word to change its meaning or function. In this case, ed and ing are suffixes that form adjectives. Now, let's look at adjectives that end in eg and ing to see how they describe different sides of actions and experiences. Let's start with ed. Imagine you finally fix a tricky computer problem. How do you feel? Relieved? Excited? These feelings are described by special adjectives that end in ed. They tell us how someone feels after something happens, and they are formed by adding the suffix ed to the verb. For example, he is excited about the next event. I am confused about the instructions. Ed adjectives show how someone feels or the state they're in because of something that happened. Ed adjectives describe the object of the sentence. In this case, the instructions are the subject, and I am the object. The instructions do something to me. They confuse me. I am confused about the instructions. She was pleased with the positive feedback on her project. The difficult puzzle left him frustrated. How about ing? Now, imagine you are looking at a website that's not very good. How do you feel? Frustrated? Confused? The website is making you feel these things. We can use ing adjectives to describe the website. This website is really frustrating. I find this website very confusing. They need to redesign it. These words describe something that makes you feel a certain way. If the website is frustrating, you are frustrated. If the website is confusing, you are confused. Ing adjectives describe the object of the sentence. In our example, the website is the object and you are the subject. The website is confusing and you are confused. This grammar video was interesting. I hope you were interested.